Hello, friends! We're floating above Chengdu, just as the sun sets and the city lights begin to flicker on. The sky glows with orange and purple, while below, the city transforms, buildings shimmering as night takes over. From up here, the last sunlight catches the skyscrapers, making them gleam like gold. The city's energy shifts. You can almost feel the anticipation for the night ahead. Lights connect across the landscape, drawing glowing lines and clusters, a masterpiece in progress. As the sun dips below the horizon, Chengdu comes alive, its gentle twinkle turning into a confident glow. Night has fallen, and the city greets it with open arms. The view is breathtaking, a sea of lights stretching in every direction. Each light is a story, a home, a restaurant, a promise of adventure. We're about to dive into the heart of it all. This is where the real adventure begins. Let's explore this glowing world together. The city isn't going to sleep, it's just changing its rhythm. The air cools, the energy builds, and the night invites us in. From our drone, we have the best seat in the house. Come on, let's see what Chengdu's night has in store. I can't wait to show you everything. Now we're gliding through a forest of light, Chengdu's glowing giants. Each building has its own personality, its own color, its own light show. The Sichuan radio and television tower stands tall, its lights pulsing like a beacon. Tianfu Square glows at the city's heart, fountains and patterns illuminated in brilliant color. Massive buildings surround it, their LED screens painting waterfalls and blooming flowers across the night. The skyline is a symphony, warm golds, cool blues, and bursts of rainbow color. The global center rises like a glowing wave, a universe of light on its own. From above, the architecture's ambition and creativity shine through. These aren't just buildings, they're monuments to Chengdu's dynamism and future. Flying among them, you feel part of something spectacular. The city buzzes with life and endless possibility. It's pure joy to witness. Let's keep moving. Let's dip lower and follow the shimmering Jinjiang River, the mother river of Chengdu. At night, it mirrors the city's light show, creating a liquid city below the real one. The water ripples with color like a living watercolor painting. Bridges become masterpieces. Anshun Bridge glows golden, while modern bridges pulse with shifting LEDs. Their reflections stretch across the water, abstract and beautiful. Pleasure boats glide by, adding their own sparkle to the scene. The riverbanks are alive, trees wrapped in twinkling lights, walkways glowing. Nature and city blend perfectly here. The Jinjiang isn't just water, it's Chengdu's soul, reflecting its vibrancy. Flying along, you feel peace and excitement at once. The city planners made the river the star of the night. This is what makes Chengdu special, a city that embraces its natural beauty. Let's float onward. Zooming closer, the real magic is in the streets. Rivers of car lights flow through the city, showing its vibrant, sleepless energy. People gather in bright squares and food streets like Jinli and Quanzhai Alley, savoring the evening. Red lanterns cast a festive glow, and the aroma of street food fills the air. Laughter and stories fill the night. This is Chengdu's heart. Parks stay alive after dark. People practice Tai Chi, play mahjong, stroll under glowing lamps. The night is safe, inviting, and full of community. The city is designed for people, not just for show. From above, we see a mosaic of experiences. Commercial buzz, historic warmth, serene parks. The lights are the backdrop to millions of stories. Tonight, we're lucky to witness them all unfold. Chengdu's night is alive with connection and joy. Let's take it all in. As our drone rises for a final look, Chengdu's night skyline reveals its true magic. It's more than lights. It's the heartbeat of a city balancing ancient tradition and modern ambition. Warm pavilions and futuristic towers glow side by side. The skyline feels inviting, alive with the energy of people living, laughing, and sharing. These lights aren't just for show, they're for the people of Chengdu. The city glows from within, reflecting its vibrant spirit. Tonight we've seen creativity, community, and joy. Chengdu is a living, breathing organism, one of the most vibrant places you'll ever see. Let this image inspire you. Dream of walking those glowing riverbanks, tasting the food, and joining the story. Seeing it on screen is one thing. Being here is everything. Chengdu is waiting for you. Good night, friends.